Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Swedish headphone manufacturer JAYS has launched its latest product in India, the JAYS 7 headphones. Launched in a crowded segment that includes numerous options with similar features, this new product is a wireless on-ear headset with a promise of 25 hours of battery life on a single charge. The JAYS A7 is priced at $99 or rupees 7,999, comes with the option of both Bluetooth and wired connectivity, and is the latest lifestyle-oriented product from the Swedish headphone maker. The JAYS A7 is the successor to the JAYS A6 wireless headset, which features an in-ear design. The JAYS A7, on the other hand, feature an on-ear design, which will suit some listeners better. The headphones are powered by 40mm dynamic drivers, an aluminium housing, memory foam padded ear cushions, and integrated controls along with a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. The wireless range is listed as 10 meters, which is standard for wireless headphones in this price range. The headset uses Bluetooth 4.1, with support for the Qualcomm aptX codec as well. The JAYS A7 is available in 4 color options: black, dusty rose, green, and gray, and can be purchased now in India through official channels. JAYS is based in Sweden, and has been known for its wireless products and flat cable design on its wired products. The JAYS A7 headphones go up against competition such as the Sennheiser HD 4.40 BT, Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth, and Skullcandy Hesh 3 wireless. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.